Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my sweet potato and chickpea fritters. Really easy, this one, nice and budget as well. Okay, look, let's get on with it. First thing I've got is a sweet potato, and you're going to need a peeler, because we're going to peel that. There's your peeler. You learn how to peel a sweet potato. I shouldn't have to show you that. Alright, so we've peeled that. I've got a box grater. I'm going to use a nice coarse grater decision on this one, and all we're going to do is grate that sweet potato off. I'm not going to bore you showing you how to do that all together. There is our grated sweet potato in a bowl. Okay, I'm going to take some of that out and use that in another recipe. 2 cans of, one of corn kernel and one of chickpeas. Right, strain and rinse those off, get rid of any of that brining liquid. Now add that straight to your mixture of sweet potato, just like that, and really simple, this one. Now give that all a good mix through. Now I've used around about 1/3 of that sweet potato mixture for another recipe. It's a little bit of a larger type of sweet potato, around about 2 tablespoons worth of Moroccan seasoning. Right, buy that from your supermarket. Right, very nice and easy. Give that all a bit of a mix through. Get that Moroccan seasoning all mixed into each other. Okay, now I'm going to add in 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Right, freshly crushed garlic. We want maximum flavour for this mixture. Give all of that a stir through once again, and I'm going to add in 1 cup of grated cheese. Use the cheese of your choice. I would not go mozzarella, it'd probably be a little bit too gooey. We want to use this as a bit of a binder. Give all of that a mix through, just like that. Really nice and simple. And I'm going to add in 3 eggs. Right, I'm just going to beat those eggs up and add those straight into that mixture as well. That's also going to help bind things together and be a little bit of a glue, for a better word. Give all of that a real good mix through, just like that. And I've got 1/3 of a cup of chickpea flour or besan, and I've got 1/3 of a cup of plain flour, which I'm also going to add in. Sprinkle that around over the top, just like I'm doing there. Nice and careful. Make sure you don't get it on the bench. Give that all a good mix through once again. All right, just like that. And that's really going to help things stick together. And if you haven't tried making your own vegetable type fritters before, well, you don't know what you're missing. The flavors are great, and you can add all sorts of sauces on top. All right, got my fry pan, a little bit of oil in there, and all I'm going to do is drop 1/3 of a cup of our mixture into the oil. Give it a little bit of a pat down. Don't pat them down too much. We want this potato to cook through, and the sort of taller we leave it, the better that potato will cook through all the way. All right, so let's put that down, and the steam will actually cook that potato through. So let them sit for around about 3-4 minutes or so, and once we've got a bit of a crust on the bottom, we can give them a bit of a flip. Now, if you're new to the channel, yes, I do have MS, and my left hand does not cooperate. My right hand's not doing much better these days either, so therefore the clumsiness of me flipping these little fritters over. I'm going to cook those off for about another 3 or 4 minutes or so. Take them out, put them onto some paper towel to drain, just like that, and we've got a lot of mixture to play with. Now, this is a really simple and very inexpensive vegetarian meal, not vegan, because we're using cheese, and it won't take you very long to cook at all. Very quick and easy, and great on a weekend. Alright, so cook those off, serve them up just like that, and I'm serving that up with a little bit of store-bought guacamole or an avocado dip, and that is absolutely perfect for this. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. If you want to learn how to make something a little bit fun and funky, and the kids will love them, and a great way to get the kids to eat veggies, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my sweet potato and chickpea fritters, and I will catch you next time. Bye.